Lariat trim. Leather, CD player, iPod MP3 input, dual zone AC, onboard communication system, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, hitch, heated mirrors, 4x4. See more. Key features include heated mirrors, leather seats, 4x4, satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, onboard communication system, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, MP3 player, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls, child safety locks. Experts are saying, Edmunds.com's review says against mounting competition, the 2010 Ford F-350 Super Duty offers plenty of towing and hauling capabilities and user-friendly features. Its many combinations of body styles, trim levels and options broaden the F-350's appeal for a wide market of buyers. More about us, we offer a 3/3 warranty on selected pre-owned vehicles, as well as in-house financing. Pricing analysis performed on February 6, 2014. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.